Hello student, welcome to Filo. Can you please confirm if my voice is audible to you? You can confirm that in the chat box as well.
I don't understand you.
I was asking my voice is audible, right? Is it the question that you need help with?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks for the confirmation. So before we proceed further, uh, student, can you please let me know what exact help you need in this one? You're looking for a solution, or would you like to understand the concept? Concept in the sense like how to do this question, so that we can proceed accordingly. Like if you want to understand the concept, I'll go step by step. I'll explain you entire steps in that. If you need solution, I'll try to make it quick and get the answer for you.
Mm, so do you know how to get the possibility?
Yeah, here we have to find the probability, right? As per the question says, a presidential candidate plans to begin a campaign by visiting the capital in 44 states, right? What is the probability that she selects the route of four specific capitals, right? That's what the question is. Yes, I know. Yes, I know how to find the probability.
So
Yes, yeah, my voice is not audible. So
do you do 44 divided by 4 or something like that?
no, 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 no. Here we have to find what is the probability that she selects the route of four specific capitals, right? So out of
Yeah.
44, she has to visit any four, right? She has to visit any four. So here, if you want to calculate the probability, so probability has two stuffs. First is the possible number of events, right? That
Hmm.
we call that as a sample space. So here the total sample space is 44. So we write that. See here, I'm just putting up the formula for this, and let me know if there's something that you don't understand while I'm explaining the formula, right?
Right.
Here we write sample space, which represents your total possibilities. Over here, this is 44, right?
Hmm.
And out of this, what he want to visit only four of them, right?
Yeah.
So total
Four.
possible events. So PE, we call it as a possible probability of finding a particular event. So it would be four. Out of 44, see the question is that there are 44 states, right? And for
Right.
this presidential candidate, she wants to start campaigning by visiting any four. Okay, so what we have to
Okay.
find what is the probability that she selects a route for four specific capitals. Like out of 44, what are the fours that you'll be selecting, right?
Right.
So in that case, we just take the ratio like this. We don't divide it. We just simplify this thing further. This would be 1 over 11.
So 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 you
Dividing both the numerators and denominators by 4. That's it. Simplify it to the simplest possible fraction. That would be the answer for that.
so the answer is 1/11?
Yeah. If in case you want to find the probability. The other way to do is if you want to find the permutation for this, like possible number of cases in which what are the possible ways to select this thing. For that, it would be different. To find just the probability that what are the probabilities of visiting only four of them, it would be 1 over 11. So I hope you understood this thing. Do you have any doubt in that?
Thanks for helping me.
Yeah, this is the probability. Now, if you want to select, as per the question says, that she selects the root for four specific capitals, that comes under your permutations and combinations. Have you heard about this term before? Have you heard about this term, permutations, before this?
No.
Okay, so permutations basically helps us decide what are the possible ways of selecting four capitals out of 44. In that case, the formula is written as your 44 P4. And to solve this thing, this 44, we call this as, we represent this by n. So in that case, it would be 44 factorial over 44 minus 4 factorial, like this.
44 minus 4?
No, yeah. So this will be, This would be around 40 factorial. This is for finding what are the possible ways of selecting the four capitals. If you want to just find what is the probability that she'll be selecting just four of them, in that case, the probability will be over there.
Hmm.
And in case if you want to select what are the possible ways of selecting four out of the 44 capitals that have been given, in that case, you have to solve this thing further. And this can be written as 44 times 43 times 42 times 41 times 44, 40 factorial over 40 factorial. Do you know, student, like, have you understood till here any, like, whatever I have explained regarding the probability and permutation? Have you understood till here? If you have any doubt, I can help you out with that. Your answer for this question is here only. This is the next part is just for explaining what are the possible ways of selecting the four specific capitals.
Hmm. So when you got, so you did 44 times 43 times
Yeah, that's
42.
how we expand this 44 factorial.
Okay.
So hope you've understood both the ways. Like to select the four capitals out of 44. For that,
Uh-huh.
we can use this permutation one, and to select the probability of selecting any four out of the total 44 states capital, we can take this as 4 over 44.
Hmm.
So any doubt till here, and whatever explanation we have done, any doubt till here, you can come up for that.
Huh. So all you gotta do is just simplify.
Yes, you need to just simplify.
Okay. I think I got it now.
Okay, great. So I believe that this is the first time you're logging in over here, right? This is the first time you have logged into our app, this Filo app, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay. So just need to tell you a bit useful features about this app. Once the session gets over, I'll be sharing this entire working log for this question, and if you have any other question for that, and you can assess the working as well as the recording of the sessions in your app whenever you want to understand to like re-go through that concept. Okay.
Okay.
And say if you want and like if you want if you like if you understood the way how I'm teaching, it's getting the concepts